can't wait for this delicious luncheon.
Thank you, Amore. Chicken thighs are on the menu for today's recipe. Let me show you how to wrap this up. Salt and pepper is in place. Now I'm putting ground cardamom. Always my favorite for chicken recipe, ground cardamom. Let's wrap this up, the chicken thighs, with speck. It's called here speck in Italy, but if you're outside Italy, you will probably find smoked bacon is the closest. What you do here is roll the chicken thigh, and then wrap it into prosciutto or speck. Prosciutto crudo, that is. Preheat your oven for 200 degrees, and this will take to cook for about 40 to 45 minutes depending the size of your chicken thighs. While the chicken is in the oven, let's do the side dish, potato and cauliflower. Cook your cauliflower with potato. Potato and cauliflower is ready, and the oven is calling me now. The roast is ready. Potato and cauliflower puree. Add a little bit more of cooking liquid to make it smoother. I want to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano. Let's add some butter, flour, this is chicken stock for gravy or sauce. It's weekends, let's enjoy it, and thank you for watching. I see you soon.